In many cities, we don't have this, but in these communities, they still meet every month. So there are community assemblies. Every first Sunday, they meet. So I think it's important that if you or someone who is here is working in an area where this happens, when there is a community meeting, I think it's important to show up. Even if no one else or other lodge around or other company doesn't show up, you still show up, because I think consistency builds this trust. So I also believe that if you are a company and you start seeing your supply chain, you start seeing your logistics and how you bring things from outside to the inside, I think it's important to ask, how can local actors play a game in that supply chain? So start thinking, how can we, instead of importing shampoo or soap or conditioner from who knows where, maybe China, maybe Peru, instead of that, ask the local people, hey, how can we build this together so there is an economy flowing within the community, within ourselves, and also provides support to the people and give a good service. Also, I think to involve local communities and to be there are uncomfortable situations that need to happen. I had one conversation once with illegal loggers. I know this is not pretty to say, this is not like romantic, but having these moments and spaces in which you have these opportunities to connect with the local people, even if it's uncomfortable, it will build trust. So I think that's also important. We have an NGO, and we run an educational program for kids and teenagers to read and write, simple stuff, but that changes the whole thing, and that's central. So I also believe education is central to bring in communities and also bridging this gap.